we'll go ahead and clean out the dust from the last hinge. We'll put us a lock in it. This will hold the blank in place while we bore the pinholes. You can do this without this hinge crafter. You can bore these pinholes. The first few hinges I did before I got this, I bored the pinholes on my Shopsmith because it has got a horizontal boring feature. And if you really take a lot of time and do your setup, you can get it pretty darn close if you really take your time and work at it. But it consumes large amounts of time. So for what this costs, the time saving is just amazing. And then you get it perfectly bored every time. You want to go in here and start in and go smooth and easy. Clean the waste out often. You don't want any pressure or pushing on it. You don't clean it out, it could build up in there, and you get to pushing on it to bore the hole, and you could break your barrel. If you break the barrel, then the hinge is ruined, so you have to start all over. So just go slow and easy and let the drill bit cut. Clean it out often. And your guide will keep you straight and centered. All right, there's one. See how centered those holes is in that barrel. Really works well. So we'll flip this one over, clean out the dust. Lock it in place. Where it was, and we'll bore this one. I'm really going easy and taking my time on this. If you get this far along making your hinge, you certainly don't want to break the barrel off of it or bust it into two pieces. All the work you've made in it so far is lost. Okay, now there's that one prepared. Now, what we've got here is both leaves. We'll take this over to the bandsaw. We'll saw it off here, and we'll saw it off here. Then these two will go together, and that'll make a complete hinge. We'll put the bamboo pin in them, and we'll put them together, and we can trim the sides and clean up any roughness or tear out that we've got. And you can take a little sandpaper, smooth it up, sand the marks out of your back side of your leaf, and you're good to go. We're going to take this hinge blank that we've cut the barrels on, made the fingers, and we bored the pin holes. Now we're going to cut it here at the leaf. This is all waste. This will be cut off where we can actually put the hinge together. We're going to cut that off with a bandsaw. I prefer to use the bandsaw. It don't have as much chance of breaking the hinge, and this one got mine set up where it cuts plenty smooth for the leaf. Just have plenty of control of it with the sled, and it really works great. So let me get a little dust collection on. All right, now we've got it laid out here, and we can make some cuts. Now, put these together. And put us a pin in there. Let me get us a pin. And this is a bamboo pin. Really surprising how well a wooden pin holds up in there. So here we are. Now, I can able to show you. See, we've actually got a little gap, and this goes beyond 90 degrees. You had it here checking it. It actually goes together a little bit beyond flat. See, if you didn't have it deep enough, and your hinge would out like this, wouldn't go flat. So that's the need for the extra 32nd. We went just a hair. You could go less, just a hair, but it wouldn't make any difference. And then you can, the bigger your leaf, the more important it is. These are relatively small, but hit them with a little sandpaper. Close these up and sand these good. Sand these edges off, and it makes for a really nice hinge. That's how that works. I did this video, and I get some response. Hadn't done any videos much. Recorded a couple of operations there. If I get some response from this, maybe I'll do some more. Anyway, thanks for watching.